Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be doing this video. I cannot believe that October is here. I am super excited if you can't tell already. In October, I like to do a little Halloween series where I do easy to follow makeup tutorials for a Halloween look, or if you're not really into the whole like special effect, I'm gonna do a little bit of more wearable for like a house party or like something a little bit more tucked away for those of you who don't like really morbid stuff. So throughout October, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a remix in terms of makeup. It's gonna be more catered to Halloween and October and all that good stuff. So welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I upload new videos every Sunday, and I'm so glad that you're here. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with the brows. So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal the Brow Stylist Shape and Fill, and I'm just going to brush my brow upwards right here, and we're just gonna fill and outline the brow. Now with this spoolie, just go ahead and blend everything. Brow gel, and I'm just going to brush them upwards. I'm gonna grab the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm gonna put some in my eyelid, and this is what I'm gonna do to prep and prime the eyelid. I'm gonna start with the eyes today, buffing this in and blending it in. And this is a Real Technique small blending sponge, which is perfect for the eye right here and like small spaces. I'm gonna start with this shade right here. It's called Darling. And I'm gonna use a nice fluffy brush, and I'm just going to set the concealer with this. I'm gonna place it all over the lid. So I'm just patting, and then we just buff it. Now with a small tapered blending brush, I'm gonna grab the shade and I'm gonna deepen out that outer corner, doing like a C shape with this, bringing it all the way up to the crease area. So I do stampy motions in like a C motion, like this. Starting from right here, bringing it up to the crease. The thing with Halloween makeup that I like the most is that you can never go too overboard with it, because that's the whole point, to really exaggerate and like let loose and let your creativity just shine through, because it's fun. It's just fun to get into character, change how you look, be something else. It's just fun to just play with makeup. With the blending brush that we used earlier, I'm just going to buff this right here in the crease and just blend any harsh lines. Now I'm gonna grab the Patrick Ta Blush Dewy Know Her, the Duo Cream and Powder combo, and I'm gonna use the cream portion of this, and this is an eye shading brush. I'm gonna grab some of this, and I'm just going to put it in my eye, sort of like doing like a cut crease like you would with concealer, bringing it all the way up to the crease. With that same brush, but the other side, I'm gonna hop into the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Hibiscus, which is like this orange right here. Really beautiful. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set what I just did with that shade. I'm just going to stamp all over. Now I'm gonna hop into both Crimson and Shade simultaneously, and I'm just going to put it right here in that outer portion of the eye, doing stampy and circular motions, bringing it up to the crease and connecting the shimmer shade with this shade. Once I have most of the pigment off, I'm gonna wipe down my brush, and I'm just going to buff in the crease back and forth, bringing this outwards and downwards. And we're gonna clean it up later. So we're really stretching this outwards. I'm gonna grab the shade Aruba, this guy right here. using the NYX Angel Veil this much. And I'm gonna grab an e.l.f. stipple brush and just put it in the face. For foundation, I'm going to use the KVD, the Good Apple foundation. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. For concealer, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Concealer Meet Your Hue, and this is in the shade Medium Tan. Now we blend. And now with the damped beauty blender, I'm just going to buff over everything for a more skin-like finish. For the bronzer, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs the Omega bronzer in the shade Tantalize, and I'm going to use a Moda angled brush, and I'm just going to start warming up the complexion, mainly in the forehead, bringing it to the hairline and bring it down to the neck as well. Now I'm going to grab a black liner. This is the Araceli Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner. And we're going to do like a teardrop kind of shape in the nose. From the Jaclyn Hill palette, the volume 2, I'm gonna grab the shade called My Man, which is this nice bright orange shade right here. And I'm gonna use a shader brush for this. And what we're gonna do is gonna fill in our nose. Now we're gonna do some lines in the nose. Now we're gonna do some lines in the brow. And do a few more lines up here. Grabbing the Patrick Ta Do We Know Her once again, I'm gonna use the powdered portion for this. And I'm gonna do the blush, really heavy. I'm gonna go back to the lower lash line, and I'm gonna grab the shade called Shade in this palette, which is this one right here, with a tapered blending brush, and I'm just gonna run it through the lower lashes. Now I'm gonna grab the shade Nocturnal, which is this guy right here. And this is a Morphe M506 brush. And I'm gonna do the same thing just to deepen out the lower lash line. And just drag it out. For the lips, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Effin' Black. That's the name of the shade. Now with the eyeliner, I'm going to do a line from this corner and this corner, like about this way. Okay, now we're gonna do mascara. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I absolutely loved how it turned out. It's super cute, but yet super Halloween, so it's perfect for a house party, an office party, any kind of party when you don't want to be like super over the top but still look cute, but still look like you tried. I think this is the perfect go-to for Halloween. I hope that you liked it. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, and while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos every Sunday. I'll see you here next time. Bye!